these up, see what they look like. There's 4 of them. So, got some double-sided tape on the back. All right, I'm gonna clean this off with some rubbing alcohol, just to be safe. The door's locked. Pull it. Go down here. And then get it lined up. Which I didn't pull the tape off yet. That's how it's going to go on. Now the tricky part is doing this without the tape. Getting in the wrong spot. So here we go. I don't think it really matters. What do you think? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Sure?
Yep.
One down, 3 to go. Go in like that. Let the door close. Handle close. Now it's line up time.
You need to go down on your right. A little bit more. Right in there. Up a little. Right there.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yeah.
I didn't push it in yet. Does it look okay?
I think so.
All right. Got all this sound out here. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. We're on my last one here. Doors, the truck's locked. Now we got to center it up. Okay, Mrs. Hip I Am. Where am I at?
You look good to me.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's the last one. All right, we got them all on. Ford Maverick 4x4 Finnegan, $19.99 on Amazon. And it's starting to rain. So hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out. It only took me a half an hour to do that. Could have done it in about 10 minutes.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.